Ready, Caitlyn?
I-adjust lang po natin yung medyo sa baba ng para hindi masyado.
Para hindi dikit sa taas ng tenga.
Kasi naka-full.
Hindi ko na massage masyado.
Have you checked the same color? And then assist on the heads.
Yay, Katie! The first thing begin! Caitlyn has an earring now! Yay! And the other one? It's okay, baby!
Nakakabit na pala talaga agad.
No, it's okay, Caitlyn. Caitlyn, duck. The ducky, oh. Yay! Duck. Caitlyn, oh, beautiful. Caitlyn.
Tapos na.
Oh.
So, kaya namin siya bukas, i-start na namin.
No.